What if you could manage both your savings and daily spending with just one app and never worry about juggling between banks, budgets, or hidden fees again? I've tried dozens of so-called all-in-one finance apps over the years. Some looked good, others made big promises, but most fell short. Today, I'll break down what actually works and how you can simplify your entire financial life using one smart app. And in a moment, I'll show you something most videos skip, something that could save you hundreds if you get this one thing right. Let's get straight to it. Most people still use separate apps for checking, saving, and budgeting, but that's outdated. The best single app solutions today do all three and more. They give you one dashboard, one login, one real-time picture of your money, no switching tabs, no syncing issues, and no forgetting which card links to which account. But here's where it gets interesting. The smartest apps automatically separate your money into categories like savings, bills, and spending as soon as you get paid. You don't lift a finger. It's like having a built-in money coach that silently organizes your finances behind the scenes. No spreadsheets, no guesswork. Now, not all of these apps are created equal. Some market themselves as budgeting tools, but behind the scenes they're selling your data or pushing high-fee credit products. That's why you'll never hear me mention affiliate links in this video. I'm not incentivized to recommend anything. I've spent years building fintech software and working with banking APIs, so I've seen exactly how these systems function under the hood. And there's one feature I always look for. Does the app give you high-yield interest on your savings, even while keeping it liquid? Most don't. But if you find one that does, it means your savings are working for you every single day, without needing to move money between accounts or open a separate high-yield savings product. Here's another thing most people miss: fee visibility. If you can't instantly see what your subscriptions, upcoming charges, or banking fees are, ditch the app. A truly good saving and spending app tells you what's coming before it hits, not after. It puts you in control, not in reaction mode. And let's talk automation. The best apps allow you to set rules like move $200 to savings every payday, or round up every transaction and save the spare change. It turns saving into something automatic and invisible. That's how real financial habits are built, without needing constant willpower. But what really separates the top-tier apps? Cash flow forecasting. Being able to see 30 days ahead, before you make a spending mistake, is game-changing. If an app doesn't show you a projected balance based on your actual habits, it's just another fancy calculator. Now, here's the big thing I told you I'd mention earlier. Some of the most well-known apps push you into debit cards with poor security or limited access to your own money. If the app locks your account or freezes funds without warning, that's a massive red flag. You need to be able to move, withdraw, and use your money instantly, with zero hoops. That's why I always test support response times and read the fine print before I trust an app with both saving and spending. And you should too. If you got value from this video, subscribe if you want to support content that's actually made for you, not content that's secretly trying to earn affiliate commissions behind your back.